What's up, everyone? It's iCurlyK here, and in today's video, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked so often, and that is how do I find inexpensive tickers to trade, especially if I'm trading with a small account size? So first things first, one of the things that I like to tell all of the traders that I work with on a consistent basis is to be organized and create a trading search bar. This is going to house all of the websites that you go to on a consistent basis, and it will also make your life a lot easier. The website that we're going to be looking at today is going to be finviz.com, which is short for financial visualization. This is actually a screener and it is a subscription-based platform. However, there are certain functions that you can actually utilize within this screener for free. So I'm going to click on screener at the top of my screen, say that a few times fast. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on all. Now, it is a great thing that I do have a subscription because when it comes to certain features, one of those features that you need to have a subscription for is going to be the ability to customize certain search criteria. So I'm just going to give you an example. I'm going to click on custom here, and I'm going to choose NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange, excuse me. Now, when it comes to the market cap, I like to trade mid to large cap stocks, but I'm just going to put it on mid cap stocks right here. And then for price, this is another good thing. I can customize this as well. I'm going to just put it on about $15 to $150. And then when it comes to the average true range, I'm going to look at stocks that maybe trade between $1 and $3. I don't want something that's going to move very crazy when it comes to the average true range, but I do want something that is going to move. All right. And then when it comes to the average volume, I want something that other traders are looking at on a consistent basis. So I'm going to choose about over 500K. That way it'll give me a few options when I do, search through this criteria. And because I am primarily an options trader, I am going to put it on optionable. And then as you can see, we're going to have several pages down here at the bottom that you can actually filter through. Now, if you want to narrow it down a little bit more, and let's just say sector rotation is something that, you're big on, you can actually select the sector and it will narrow it down even more. So I'm just going to select technology, which is actually going to be XLK. So as you can see here, I have quite a few stocks. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to just pull out a few of the tickers that you actually know. But another thing I like to do is double click on the market cap so I can have the largest market cap stocks at the very top. And then from there, I'll make a note of the ones that I know I'm familiar with. I'll write them down and then I'll actually go over to maybe my trading platform just to make sure that they do trade with a decent amount of volume and open interest on any given day and that they don't trade with a wide spread. So hopefully this video helps. And if you want to stay tuned to the end of the video, I'm actually going to scroll through my small account list on my TradingView platform, and you can actually make a note of those tickers. Now, keep in mind, the purpose of this video is to show you how to filter and find them for yourself, because some of these tickers may become more valuable or may become more expensive or less expensive, or maybe the volume may change where traders may not look at it as often. So it's very important for you to know how to do these things yourself. Also, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the end of the video. Bye.